friends, we're going on a ghost hunt. Are you ready? This is a really fun story. We're going on a ghost hunt. We're going to see some spooky ones. We're not scared. It's Halloween night. Uh-oh, a forest. An old, cold forest. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. We'll have to go through it. Crunch, crunch, crunch. We made it. Uh-oh, a swamp. A foggy, boggy swamp. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. We'll have to go through it. Squish, squish, squish. We made it. Look at all the eyes staring. Uh-oh, a bridge. A freaky, squeaky bridge. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. Have to go across it. Creak, creak, creak. We made it. Uh-oh, a haunted house. An eerie, dreary haunted house. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. We'll have to go into it. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Uh-oh, what was that? Glowing green eyes, gasping white mist, gaping black mouths. We found ghosts. Run! Out of the haunted house. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Across the bridge. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Through the swamp. Squish, squish, squish. Through the forest. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Up on the front porch. Into the house. Slam the door. We made it. We went on a ghost hunt. We saw some spooky ones. I wasn't scared. Were you? Looks like the ghost is really a friendly ghost. Good job, friends. Bye.